Hear the wisdom calling. Oh, youth of today, the future is waiting. Choose your path with understanding. Yeah. Oh. Young man standing at the crossroads, young woman dreaming of tomorrow. Many voices calling your name, many roads leading to fame. Some promise gold without the labor, some promise success without the struggle. But every strong tree reaching the sky first grew roots hidden from the eye. The eagle studies the wind before flight, the sailor reads the stars at night. The wise prepare before they move, that's how legends find their groove. Don't rush into the storm before you know the weather. Don't build your dreams on sand, build something that lasts forever. Learn before you leap, before you cross that river deep. Think before you run, every race is not to be won. Drink from the river where wisdom flows forever. Let wisdom lead you on and guide your journey till the dawn. Oh, river of wisdom, carry us home. Today the world is changing fast, technology is moving past. Artificial intelligence is here, creating new opportunities every year. Don't fear the future, learn and grow. Knowledge is the seed you sow. Your talent can reach around the earth if you discover your true worth. Learn a skill, build a dream, nothing is ever what it seems. The strongest nations did not wait, they worked, created, and shaped their fate. Don't follow every crowd, not every trend is right. The brightest stars endure because they learn before they fly. Learn before you leap, before you cross that river deep. Think before you run, every race is not to be won. Drink from the river where wisdom flows forever. Let wisdom lead you on and guide your journey till the dawn. Oh, river of wisdom, carry us home. Youth of Papua New Guinea, your future is not hidden, it is waiting to be built. Build your own fire, learn your skills, protect your values, use technology wisely, respect your culture, keep your faith. The world belongs to those who prepare, not those who merely complain. Learn before you leap, the future is yours to keep. Think before you run, your greatest race has just begun. Drink from the river where dreams grow stronger forever. Let wisdom lead you on, your brightest days are coming on. River of wisdom flowing through the land, river of wisdom guiding every hand. The river never stops flowing, and wisdom never stops growing. The river never stops growing, and wisdom never stops growing. The river never stops flowing, and rhythm never stops growing. The river never stops flowing. Those who listen will rise, those who learn will lead. The fear of the Lord is the beginning of wisdom. River